Hello guys, and from Tonga Charts here. So today we'll be looking at how we will be looking to trade ISM Services PMI out of the US today. So you can see I've already set up my pairs for one of the scenarios. Yeah. So basically, ISM Services PMI is to do with the service sector in the US. So from financial services to maybe you go into the coffee shop and spending money. So that coffee shop is providing a service to you. So it's anything that doesn't involve manufacturing. So basically, in with PMI readings, you get manufacturing PMI and then non-services PMI. So services PMI is actually a good gauge. I did do a small write-up about it. It's a good gauge of for the Fed or the Reserve Bank of the US to kind of have an idea of how the consumer is spending in terms of services and how they're feeling in terms of the how if the consumer is feeling confident about the future of the US economy. And they actually use this to decide whether to increase rates or to decrease rates. It's one of the indicators they use to do that. So if you go onto the charts, as you can see, so currently right now, these are the three pairs I've chosen. So if ISM services comes out higher than expected, so that means be good for the dollar. So as you can see right now, these are the three currency pairs that are moving in favor of the dollar. So I'll be looking to buy NZD USD, looking to buy USD CHF. Let me just clean that. Looking to buy USD CHF and looking to sell NZD USD because that's currently what's happening in terms of yeah, if the reading comes on higher than expected. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. Stay safe and manage risk. Yeah, and this is for educational purposes, obviously. So yeah, stay safe, guys. How's it, guys? Alan here from Thomas Shots again. So as per our previous post, we'll be trading ISM Services PMI today. It came in pretty much in line with expectations. Yeah, as you can see, even if it came in at 54.2, this would be a miss for me. It was no surprise, and yeah, that's pretty much bearish for the dollar. So I'll be looking to sell the dollar. I did have a look at the pairs, which I'll be interested in selling. And right now, unless anything changes, right now I'll be looking to buy um, the British pound. I'll be looking to buy Australian dollar and maybe selling USD CAD and then buying Euro USD. But we'll see what happens as time goes. Same about 30 minutes time or so. I'll have a look again and then decide which pairs to trade. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the fundamental trades. So yeah, stay safe, managers, guys. See you on the other side. So guys, quick update on the trades. As you can see, yeah, everything is running nicely. Yeah, the fundamental analysis went well, and we're able to take these trades, and yeah, the results are really, really good. This is why I like fundamental trading. It's very simple, and yeah, and you stick to what moves the market. That's the trick. As you can see, yeah, so I'll be waiting to close these trades around 10 p.m. tonight, and yeah, basically done for the day. Hopefully, there's no news from Donald Trump to completely spoil these trades. But as you can see, real accounts from Exynos. Yeah, guys, stay safe, manage risk, and yeah, see you on Wednesday with the next fundamental event.